Hey guys, what's up? Today we're at our Nana's house and we're gonna tell you how to attract a lot of birds to your house. Number one, hang up a lot of bird houses and feeders. I'll show you a couple that we have. We have a lot because Nana and Papa really like birds. So, what the heck is that noise? I'm gonna show you this. Next, step 2. We want to fill all the bird feeders with the bird food, bird seed, and for the hummingbirds, sugar water. And now we'll track them for a little bit, but then they'll fly back to their nest, and the next day they will come back and do that all again, and we'll keep doing it and doing it and then doing it. So I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye.